1 pan lemon herb chicken and veggies. This recipe is perfect for a busy weeknight. It's fast to prepare, cooks on a single sheet pan for easy cleanup, and the flavors are bright and fresh. The combination of lemon, garlic, and herbs makes the chicken and vegetables taste incredible. Ingredients: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut into 1-inch cubes, 1 librit small potatoes, like baby or new potatoes, halved hub, 1 large zucchini, chopped into 1-inch pieces, 1 red bell pepper, chopped into 1-inch pieces, half red onion cut into thick wedges, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, juice and zest of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, half teaspoon dried thyme, salt and black pepper to taste. Fresh parsley or dill for garnish, optional. Instructions: prep your oven and pan, preheat your oven to 400 degrees, 200 degrees. Lightly grease a large baking sheet or line it with parchment paper for even easier cleanup. Combine ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the cubed chicken, potatoes, zucchini, bell pepper, and red onion. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, minced garlic, lemon juice, lemon zest, oregano, thyme, salt, and pepper. Toss everything together. Pour the dressing over the chicken and vegetables. Toss well with your hands or a spoon until everything is evenly coated. Spread and bake. Spread the mixture in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. This helps the veggies roast and the chicken cook evenly. Cook to perfection. Bake for 25-30 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the potatoes are tender and golden brown. You can give the pan a gentle shake or stir halfway through cooking. Serve, garnish with fresh parsley or dill if desired, and serve immediately. This dish is a complete meal on its own, but it also goes great with a simple side salad. Enjoy! Thanks for watching!